Encountering a no SIM error on your T-Mobile phone means your device can't recognize the SIM card, preventing cellular service. This issue can arise from physical problems with the SIM, software glitches, or network-related factors. As of November 2025, resolving this typically involves reseating the physical SIM, troubleshooting eSIM setups, and performing carrier updates. With the rise of eSIM technology, physical SIM errors have decreased, but software bugs can still cause problems, particularly on Android devices. If you see this message, start by turning off your phone and reseating the SIM card. Make sure it's properly aligned in the slot and free from damage. Then power your device back on and see if the error persists. This is especially useful if you're still using a physical SIM card, as many newer T-Mobile phones now use eSIM. If reseating your SIM doesn't solve the problem, or if you're using an eSIM, further troubleshooting is needed. First, verify your eSIM activation through the T-Mobile app. T-Mobile's app includes an AI troubleshooter to automate the eSIM setup. Also, ensure your phone has the latest carrier updates. These updates often include fixes for SIM recognition issues. To update, check your phone's settings menu or use T-Mobile's diagnostic tools. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for QR code-based reprovisioning. The trend toward eSIM dominance is expected to further reduce no-SIM issues, but ensure you're digitally literate and your device is compatible. With T-Mobile's 5G expansion, the hybrid SIM setups can also mitigate the error if you're still experiencing any errors. For ongoing issues, reach out to T-Mobile's official support channels for the most up-to-date solutions.